Hey y'all, this is Jess from Jess Kept Secret, and today I'm going to show you how to draw your own Celtic knots. On grid paper, draw out a staggered grid with an even number of rows and an even number of columns. They don't have to match, so you can do 6 by 8, for example, but they do have to be even. Next, draw some vertical and horizontal lines on your grid. Each line should stretch across an even number of squares with the dot in the middle. You can be as creative as you want here. Each line will create a bend or a twist in your knot. As you practice, you'll learn how different configurations change the knot. Then connect your unused dots with diagonal lines. Do not cross your vertical and horizontal lines. You may have dots that aren't connected, and that's okay. Draw arcs and corners between the dots on the edges and anywhere you have vertical and horizontal lines. Pay attention to how the knot interacts with those lines you drew. This is how you get loops, twists, corners, and waves in your knot. Each dot should have 4 lines attached to it. Next, close up the gaps by tracing over alternating dots as you follow the line of your knot. Draw over one, skip one, draw over the next, and so on. If you finish a loop and your knot isn't complete, just start where the line for the next loop goes under and follow the same pattern from there. Now trace over your pattern with a pen or a marker. Erase your pencil lines, and you're done. If you'd like to see an in-depth tutorial, visit our website at justkeptsecret.com. Thanks for watching.